Namaste. On behalf of Hyde Park Cooperative Housing Society, we received some questions related to COVID pandemic. So today we have Dr. Rituparna Ghosh,
Hello all of you.
clinical psychologist, Apollo Hospital, Navi Mumbai. Welcome, doctor. So, doctor, we received some questions from that school. So, today's first question is: what are the psychological effects of COVID-19 on children?
This is a very good question and a very important question in today's times. We all know that the developing mind of a child is highly getting adversely affected because of this pandemic, wherein children are not allowed to go out, mix up with their age group peers. So the first and foremost thing is that somewhere there's a lot of energy that is not getting that positive outlet to get channelized. सो बच्चों के अंदर वो एनर्जी कहीं पे अंदर रह जा रही है और वो क्योंकि बाहर निकल नहीं पा रहे हैं, खेल नहीं पा रहे हैं, तो मैनी अ टाइम्स इट इज़ हैपनिंग दैट दे आर गेटिंग इरिटेटेड, दे आर गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. Many children they can express, many don't. So it is the role of the parents. अभी जिनको parents को एक बहुत बड़ा रोल यहाँ पे play करना है, they have to play a very very crucial part wherein they need to sit with the child, give them that platform wherein the child can openly discuss the concerns they are facing. And also the parent needs to involve the child in mentally stimulating activities. लाइक अभी बहुत पेरेंट्स शिकायत करें कि बच्चों का स्क्रीन टाइम बढ़ गया है, तो उन चीज़ों को कम करने के लिए द मेन थिंग इज़ टू involve the child in different hobbies that they love doing, like dancing, reading, painting, singing, whatever they can do after they get free from their online school classes and tuitions. And at the same time also the parent need to join the child in these recreational activities, because that will help the child to feel much more secure and much more accepted during this crisis. And if the child is going through any sort of stress, then the child will also feel free to discuss it with the parents if they get that healthy environment at home.
Doctor, second question: what are some things employers or organization can do to mitigate the psychological impact on their staff in a pandemic situation?
Okay, so as we all know, the economy has gone down a lot, and all employees, all the organizations are very worried about it. लेकिन अभी ये समय जो है, the main thing is to come together as a team. You forget about the hierarchy. The entire team, be it the head of the team or the team members, they need to sing the same song in the same rhythm. And at the same time, if you add somewhere empathy along with loyalty, it will yield the best assets. So as an leader of the team, you should motivate and align the employees to stay mentally connected with each other, to share their concerns, anxieties, worries if they are going through that. At the same time, the employers should not be too over demanding इस समय. जितना हो पा रहा है employees को करने दीजिए. Let's not stick to too much of perfectionistic attitude as of now. Let us praise each other's efforts, stay together as a team, and at the same time एक और अच्छा suggestion दूंगी कि कभी कभी maybe once in a month or twice in a month, along with all the work related discussions that are happening on different platforms, Google Meet, Zoom and all, you can organize some coffee sessions as virtual meets. So that will also help to build that team cohesiveness and promote healthy relationship among all the team members.
Okay. Next questions, doctor: are we overreacting to the coronavirus?
This is a very very good question. See, overreacting, I would say to an extent at times, yes, but it's very true that coronavirus has affected the whole world in a very adverse way. So it's very important to take all the precautions. But there is something जो कि आपने जैसे बोला, एक डर सा लोगों के मन में बैठ गया है. तो even if people are taking precautions, they are so afraid to go out. I would say if you are taking precautions, if there's some need, you really want to go out, the system or the work culture demands so, you can go out with all the precautions. be positive a bit and just take one day at a time and work according to the goals that you have set in because इतना ओवर रिएक्शन कभी कभी लोगों में बहुत ज़्यादा डर हो रहा है. अगर आप प्रॉपरली प्रिकॉशंस लेके काम कर रहे हैं, सबके साथ एक साथ मेंटली कनेक्टेड हैं, तो इतना घबराने की बात नहीं है.
Doctor, what we can do different from other people in this pandemic situation?
डिफरेंट एज इन सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है कि see, the first and foremost thing is to maintain a balance right now. If you are at home, to strike a balance between the time you are spending, the work time, and the time you are spending with your family and with yourself. So different, I would say कि पहले हमारे लाइफ में जो हम रैट रेस में इन्वॉल्व हो गए थे, we were only working. If you see, this pandemic somewhere has given us that platform to stay at home and cultivate our hobbies, to spend time with our family. तो अगर हम after work, we nurture some of our hobbies, we spend some good time with our family, and also, to extend that help to others, like keeping mentally connected with people who really need help as of now, helping people who have come back from hospitals or healthcare centers after getting recovered from COVID, to extend that help to them and to promote community well-being. ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें अगर हम करें, हमारे लाइफ में एक पॉजिटिव डिफरेंस आएगा और एक दूसरे के लाइफ में भी हम एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट बना पाएंगे.
Okay. Doctor, next question. How can we motivate ourselves more effectively through reinforcement?
Yes, this is a very good question. Motivation, I would say the best thing to motivate ourselves is first of all to accept that this crisis has happened and to live in the present. The more we live in the present, we form short-term goals. हर दिन के हिसाब से अगर हम goals form करें कि today morning I get up and I know कि these are the things I have to do at my work front and these are the things I want to cultivate, to spend a good time with family or to nurture some hobbies. I think that will motivate us to live one day at a time, and automatically at the end of the month or at the end of the week when we look behind and see, हम देखेंगे कि कितनी आसानी से हमने एक पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट रख के पूरे वीक को या पूरे मंथ को बिताया है. So that is how self-motivation happens. Right now is not the time to set big and large goals because that will only end up in frustration if we are unable to attain it. To focus on each day at a time and work accordingly.
Okay. Now, Doctor, last question. How does mind-body connection affect our emotion?
Mind and body both are interconnected, and one very important thing is emotions are regulated by both the things actually. तो हमारा mind अगर we are being motivated, we are focused, we are positive, then obviously it has a very good reflection on our body. We will feel healthy, and at the same time if we are healthy, like if we are physically healthy, automatically that has a positive impact on our mind. So जितना हम mind and body दोनों को interconnected रख के दोनों को importance देंगे, automatically it will regulate our emotions and we will feel happy, joyful each and every day. Because हमें ये ध्यान रखना है, ये मैं बार बार I try to स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस, लाइक अगर हम इस समय इस क्राइसिस के समय अपनी बॉडी पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं, प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे हैं, एट द सेम टाइम दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टाइम वेर इन वी नीड टू फोकस ऑन आवर माइंड एज वेल. अगर आप उदास हैं, प्लीज़ कम अप एंड शेयर विद आवर फैमिली, विद फ्रेंड्स, इफ इट्स टू इंटेंस विद पीपल फ्रॉम द मेंटल हेल्थ फील्ड, बिकॉज दोनों चीज़ों की हेल्थ बहुत ज़रूरी है, बोथ द बॉडी एंड द माइंड. एंड इफ वी आर हेल्दी in both ways, then obviously it will regulate our emotions in the positive way.
Yeah, thank you, Doctor, for sharing your valuable information to us, to our viewers. Thank you very much, Doctor.